Before crowns flashed with diamonds and gold, one man ruled an empire so vast, the world struggled to measure it. His name was Mansa Musa, the emperor who made the earth bow to Africa's brilliance. Not a whisper, but a thunderclap. He was the 10th Mansa, the king of kings of the Malian Empire, an architect of a golden age. As Europe fractured through famine and war, Mali stood as a beacon of unity, knowledge, and prosperity. Wealth here was not hoarded in vaults. It flowed like rivers across the savannah, like trade through the desert. Salt from the north, dearer than coin. Gold from the south, a vessel of light. The sun given form. Abundance was circulation, not stagnation. Musa did not inherit a simple throne. He rose through currents of succession where wisdom, not blood alone, bestowed the mantle. He took a tapestry woven by predecessors and dyed it in the color of the sun. His power was not fire and sword, but restoration and purpose. He united what was fractured. His mind was a quiet, deep river. His leadership a baobab, offering shade to all. He believed rule was a sacred trust, to elevate his people and inscribe their story in the world's memory. Under his guidance, cities like Timbuktu and Gao became jewels of commerce and intellect. Their markets and manuscripts binding Africa's arteries into a living network. This was no dragon's hoard. It was the open hand of a generous heart, proof of a people's boundless potential. Then he stepped into the world's imagination. In 1324, Musa embarked on the Hajj, not merely a king's journey, but a continent's procession. 60,000 attendants, camels laden with gold, silk and brocade shimmering over the Sahara. In Cairo, his generosity was so profound that the price of gold fell. Its ripple felt for years. This was not excess. It was a declaration. True wealth is what you give. His greatest legacy was knowledge. Returning from the pilgrimage, he welcomed architects and scholars from the Arab world as partners. He transformed Timbuktu into a center of learning. The Jingureber Mosque still stands, earthen and enduring. At Sankore, libraries swelled with manuscripts. a lighthouse for scholars, poets, and theologians across Africa and beyond. A kingdom of the mind, a trade network of ideas. For centuries, his story has lit a fire across Africa and the diaspora. A reminder that an African emperor, rooted in faith and wisdom, was once the richest man on earth. We reclaim the pages torn out and the voices dimmed. Mansa Musa's gold has faded, but his true wealth, wisdom, unity, faith, still flows. Africa was never behind. The world simply forgot how far ahead she once was.